What's the meaning of biodata? Biodata. Biodata.
Biodata. Biodata. Biodata refers to a written summary of an individual's life and personal achievements. It typically includes details such as one's name, date and place of birth, education, work experience, hobbies, and other relevant information. Biodata can be used for various purposes such as job applications, academic admissions, and research studies. The information presented in a biodata is intended to provide a comprehensive overview of an individual's personal and professional background. Moreover, biodata is often used by employers and organizations to evaluate the suitability of a candidate for a particular role or opportunity. It is essential that the information provided in biodata is accurate and up to date.